Hi guys, welcome to the channel, welcome to another vintage video. This time it is time for a very rare moped, and it is from ex-Yugoslavia. It was produced in the 50s. TMZ, guys. The factory was established in Zagreb in Croatia, that time part of ex-Yugoslavia. This is a 50cc moped, and it has two gears, guys, two gears. As you can see, it is with pedals, so no foot pegs on this one, and this one is completely restored. The color is a stock one, and everything is stock. Let's say that it has only this handle here that can be used when you put it on a center stand, but otherwise completely stock, guys. The year of production of this one is 1959, and it is a 50cc engine, as you can see, with one spark plug and one cylinder. The maximum speed, I believe, it's 50 kilometers per hour, and it is in very shiny red. So a very modern and classic suspension from that time. Very nice is this part, guys. As you can see, these are the front forks, but as you can see, the suspension is here, so it is really not part of the whole fork, but I think that this is a great solution. Otherwise, it has also some chromed parts like wheels, and also part of the fuel tank. This is a two-stroke, I have to say it, and like I just mentioned, two gears that are here, so it is like on the Vespas. So here you have the clutch, and then you just put into the first or second gear. Here it's the stock speedo. As you can see, the engine, it's an air-cooled 50cc single cylinder engine. It is from HMW from Austria, so they had their license, and they were using their engines. Here it's a little part, a storage for some things that you would like to have when you ride, and here you can see it's a fuel switch. The engine has 2.7 horsepower, and it's a 50cc engine with that great moped sound, you know, guys. As you can see, guys, here are these, let's say, screws that are very elegant, so you don't need a screwdriver to open it, and there it's, let's say, something that it's gonna be very important for every moped lover, and this is, guys, the Dell'Orto carburetor. So this means quality, guys, really quality. The exhaust was also chromed, and pedals too. What is really a very strange but also worth mentioning is that this one had a switch that is for the pedal use. So if you pull this thing back, you can use only pedals, otherwise it is used for the engine. So now it is for the engine, and you just start it up with pedals, guys. Here we have a little fuel pump, guys, that it's connected with the Dell'Orto carburetor, and it is also very important to know that this one has a decompression here. So this is a proper old school moped, guys, really. In fact, this model, it's a rarity nowadays because soon after, I mean, this is 1959, and soon after everything was over, the story with the TMZ from Zagreb was over because they changed their plans. The production started in Serbia, but it was only some months. They were producing also fire pumps and engines for motocultivators, but soon after everything was over, and there was a new star on the Yugoslav market, and that one was Tomos. They had also a very nice scooter introduced in 1958, and it was called Švrćo, with a similar engine to this one, so from HMW, but it had 3 gears. This one, it's with 2 gears, guys. So let's go and ride it a bit. It is gonna be fun, guys, really. TMZ 50N. Let's check the sound, guys. Okay. Yeah, now I am in the second, guys. I am in the second, guys. Cool, cool. The gear changes are like on the Vespa, but a little bit different. Yeah, neutral. So the first one is down, and then you have the second one that it's up. Yeah, I am in the first one. I am in the second. Okay guys, this was all. This was TMZ 50N, a very nice and rare model. I enjoyed a lot. It is a proper 2-stroke experience, and with that gear changes on the left hand, it is really something very, very special, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. I hope that you had fun. Thanks for watching, guys. Please do me a favor and subscribe, and till the next one.